Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 10 updates. 10 more weeks to go, and that means that we have done halftime for this game, and now there's like 10 more weeks, basically half more time, 2.5 months, and that is awesome. The updates are really going well, and the game is developing really good. So let's check out the additions and changes for this week. Rutger did flying animations, two flying animations for teleport mech, as you can see in the bottom middle. And yeah, they're pretty cool. The one is tilted and the one is straight, and I just mixed both of them, and you will see the animation. It's pretty good. And I have done VS mood versus mood. Now it's completed, and there's the power meter display and money calculations. I integrated the Rutgers mech movement, and yeah, some more stuff. So it's playtime, and let's check out the game. So I'm in the game, and I'm going to show you the animations. If I move this guy, there you can see it's walking, pretty cool. There's this cannon mech, there it walks really nice, and then there's the artillery mech. Yeah, pretty cool. I really like the animations. Oh, I just, I don't have any more action points. I have to end turn again, and let me just move this guy. There. Yeah, it's like ta 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 walking. And then there's the teleport mech. Shoo. See? There are like trails and flame in the from the bottom. And yeah, it looks really well. But there is some issue with this overall system. If I move this one in the opposite direction, it feels a little odd, right? So I'm thinking of maybe flipping it so that it looks better. If I go to play versus, you can see there are 4 new options. The other two are the same, right? And now I can select the team, and you can see that the team is highlighted when I select the team, right? So there's the red team, and it's user or AI or none, right? So I'm gonna set it to user. This is the player I wanna use, and then I go to the blue team, and I can set it to AI, but I'm gonna set it to none, and then I'm going for the green one, and I'm going to set this to none as well. And the last one, the black one, I want to, battle with this one. So I will set this to AI, right? But there is no AI right now, it's under development. And yeah, this is how we set the players, and it's whether it's user or AI, and whether it is supposed to be in the game or not. We can set it like this. And right now there is no uh, commanding officer control co, because there are no co's in the game right now, right? So yeah, that's how it is. There is one thing that if I set the third one, the black one, to none as well, it says not playable. I cannot play because uh, if you want to play a versus game, you definitely need at least 2 players, right? So there's how I did it, and that's really important that I set it to either user or AI, right? Even 2 AIs can fight with each other, and you can just watch the game. If the AI is developed, that's the problem. So yeah, that's how it is. And I can also set the starting money, 10,000 or maybe 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, and it goes back to 0. So I will set it to 25. And there's the deploy delay. When you build a mech from war building, it it requires some turn to completely get deployed, the mech. Either you can keep it turned on, which is how it is intended to be, or you can just turn it off and play it really fast, right? So yeah, that's how it is. And let's play the game. And as I already told you, the green and the blue ones are none, or you can say nullified. And the black one is AI, but AI is exactly the same as user. So let's play the game, and let's make the max. As you can see on the top middle, there's the money, the player money, and it's 25,000, the same that we set in the starting money. And let's just get. And there's the power meter display as well in the middle. Right now, the power meter uh, gets increased when the player ends the turn, right? So right now, if I end the turn, see, it skipped the blue and the green ones. It directly goes to the black one. And why is that? Because if I go to the overview thing, you can see that the buildings are destroyed and they are like ruins, right? They're just ruins. And if I end it, you can see Now the red player has the power meter increased by like 10% or so. Yeah, that's how it happens. And now if I make the units, the money also gets decreased in the right way. I mean, this is how it should be. And I have now done it. It was not there before. And right now it says not enough power and you cannot do anything, right? You cannot use the power. And if I end return enough times, there. Now I can use the power. Of course, it doesn't do anything right now. Okay, so we have like this thing, and I save it, right? It's now saved. And I go back, go to play versus, go to load map, and select this map. See what happened? Look at that. The player without headquarters, it just has runes because it's not possible that you can play the game without headquarters, right? So this is something I have done, and it is playable because there are two HQs, two headquarters that are working. And let me just go back to map editor. As you can see, there is no problem in the map editor. If I add the HQ building, right, there should be some sort of hint that the HQ is important. Without HQ, you can't do it. And I'm saving it again. Uh, versus load map again. And now, as you can see, they are not nullified and they are there. The units are there, everything is there, and I can play it as normal. For the next week, we are going for gameplay overview stats, enemy AI. Hopefully, I will do it next week. And then there's the reset turn in gameplay UI, attack mech animations, Zareem Taja and Guru character art, generic soldier character face art, and map level designs. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.